Slutbot, they're trying to do it properly. Okay, cool. God, I got an attitude, didn't I? Are you fucking wow?